Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope that you are all fine and doing good. In this video, I will tell you about how you can enable a dual WhatsApp in your device Samsung M53 and M53 5G. So if you want to enable a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp, like you already have one but you want to use another one, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. Before starting the video, if you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the dual WhatsApp in your device.